Molly the Monkey. Written and illustrated by Jana Biliona. One bright morning, when the sun starts to rise at the beautiful forest, there was a monkey named Molly, who loves to tease and mock everyone he knew. When Molly was on his way to the river, he saw Mr. Tortoise. Molly laughed at him and said,
"You're so slow. You should take your ugly house off on your back."
as he tried to make fun of how Mr. Tortoise walked. Mr. Tortoise chose not to pay attention to his silliness and continued to walk away from him instead. Molly saw the mother duck with her ducklings as he approached near the river. He laughed at them and said,
"Why all of you shook your hips like that?"
as he tried to mimic how they moved their bodies. The mother duck told Molly, "You may think it is fun when you are mocking, but no one likes the way you are talking. If you still continue acting that way, no one wanted to be friends with you or be close to you, and no one will help you in times that you will be needing it the most." Molly ignored what Mother Duck has said to him. He thought that he doesn't need help from anyone because he is smart and strong enough to take care of himself. Molly continued to walk without looking on his way, so he didn't notice that he's already at the edge of the river and slipped himself surprisingly. Molly could not swim. He started panicking and began to ask for some help. He shouted,
"Help! Help! Please help me! I am drowning!"
The mother duck saw him, and together with her ducklings, they swam closer to Molly and helped him up. Molly thought that it would be his last day. Fortunately, Mother Duck helped him, and he can't thank her enough for what she did. Mother Duck told him to stop mocking other animals. Instead, he should start acting nice to everyone. Molly promised to Mother Duck that he'll be a good monkey for the rest of his life. After that incident, Molly made friends now with other animals. He became nice, and he has now a lot of friends who he can count on whenever he needed help. The end. Molly the Monkey, written and illustrated by Jana Biliona.